Hey beauties, I hope you're all well. In today's video, as you already seen from the title, I'm checking out some face masks. Alright, so the thing is, I probably mentioned this in many of my videos, I have super problematic skin. I have adult acne, oily skin, dehydrated skin for some reason, although I drink a lot of water. Don't even ask, I don't know. I do have rosacea as well, like sometimes even this lights when I'm filming, I have a light in front of me, so lights sometimes triggers that as well. So if my face looks super red, that's a rosacea. Some breakouts going on, big pores and all. Yeah, like you name it, I probably have it. But talking about the skincare, I always try to find, products that would work for me, but I don't stuck with the same product, because I noticed if I use the same product constantly, my skin kind of gets used to that and doesn't respond to the benefits anymore, if that makes any sense whatsoever. So what I do, if I find a good product, I look for another good product. So I use those products, like, 1 week I use one, another week I use another. That makes any sense? Like, I try to swap those around so my skin doesn't get used to that, so all the time gets like, oh, that's new, I like this. Do you guys do that? Or is it just me? Like, well, at least I find this actually helpful and that my skin kind of improves and looks better through using this. I posted quite a lot on my Instagram stories about that, and my skin, feels and looks better. And this is one of the techniques that I found that actually works. Like, I can do a separate video, but I can go into proper detail of my skincare routine and what I do to help out my skin. Last few weeks, by the way, I live in Scotland, for those of you who don't know that. It's been really sunny. Like, I managed to get a tan in Scotland. This doesn't happen, honestly, guys. This weather is really unusual. I just hope it's gonna stay like this. But saying that, the sun really dehydrated my skin. I don't want to scare you off with a zoom in of my skin, but it looks dehydrated. Like, I have oily skin, and kinda doesn't make sense how come oily skin can get dehydrated, because like the bits in here, the skin is kinda, patchy is not even the word. Do you know what I mean, guys? It's kind of, it wants to peel off, but I don't want to touch it because I have rosacea, so I don't want to irritate my skin. So recently I came across this brand called Édelora. It's from Switzerland. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing the brand name correctly. So I got the hydrating face sheet mask, which they say is hydration boost. This is what my skin needs, you guys. So what they say about this mask on the packaging, that it forms a protective barrier to the outermost layer of the skin for nourishing, repairing and improving skin dryness. You need that, trust me. I need that at least. Skin will feel refreshed, hydrated and noticeably supple. Yes, please. This is brand new, by the way, so I'm checking this brand in front of you. Hopefully it's all good and my skin will love it, but I guess we're gonna see that, right? Okay, let's just open this up. It's all sealed, by the way. That looks pretty, isn't it? I love the packaging, you guys. I don't even know how many is in a pack. So in a pack, we got 6 in one pack. I haven't seen it. I thought it's only 1 in one pack, but then you get 6, which is amazing. And then if you take all the masks out, you get this lovely message. Okay, I think without any further ado, let's put this mask to the test and see. So far my skin, as you can see, a bit dry, a bit patchy, like flaky. Flaky, that's a word. Like, especially here. I'm not sure if you guys can see this. Like this part in here, my skin is kind of wants to peel off a bit. So hopefully this is gonna hydrate my skin. Let's open and see what we got. Ooh, this looks extremely packed with like moisture. Look at that. There's loads of product on the mask. Okay. Let's just see. Ooh, very liquidy. Okay, that's promising. So it says to unfold and take the extra paper padding. Oh, that's all leaking. Okay, you guys, that is a lot of product. Let's try massage this up. Oh my god. I hope you guys can see this. It's actually leaking. So that's proper promising. Oh my goodness. It looks like it's packed with product. Oh, it's just leaking everywhere. I'm trying to do faster and I can't. Okay, let's take this paper back off. Oh my god, you guys. Oh my god, you guys. Okay. Let's put this beauty on and keep for 15 to 25 minutes, as they say. Smells lovely though. If you follow my channel, you guys probably know how much I'm not a fan of any smell in my makeup or cosmetics. But it smells lovely actually. It smells a bit like roses to me. Like, yeah, it has like a flowery scent to it, which is nice. Okay, let's leave this on. How do I look, guys? This is super liquidy, like I have it all over my hands now and everything. What do you guys say? How do I look? So far, it feels super moisturizing. I mean, you guys can see how much liquid it is. I have it all over my hands. It's like dripping from this paper part that it was wrapped in, and the whole pack is full of the liquid. You know, it's all wet, so it's packed with moisture, which is amazing. That means if you're gonna keep it on your face for, you know, 15 to 25 minutes, your face should absorb all this moisture. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna set the timer on and sit in here. Let's say 20 minutes. We say 15-25. Let's go middle between this recommended time, 20 minutes and counting. So 20 minutes passed. Let's see the truth, guys. Ooh, okay. I'm not sure if you guys see this through a camera lens, but this loads of like liquid, like moisture from a mask, is still on the surface of my skin. Like my skin feels super moisturized. I just hope you're able to see this. Like even if I touch my skin with my fingertips, it feels like wow. Wow, you guys. So they say rinse face prior use. We did this, we applied the mask, and then after removing it, gently massage the remaining excess until it's fully absorbed. So I still feel like I still have some of this like gel-like liquid on the skin after this face mask. I'm just gonna gently massage it. And if my skin will get red, it's because, well, touch it. And I have super sensitive skin, so it might look red. Just gonna touch. I gotta tell you, my skin doesn't feel irritated in any way, and the reason I'm saying this is because I have super sensitive skin, guys. I have super sensitive skin. Loads of makeup or beauty products irritates my skin straight away, like the second it touches my skin surface. This feels like a dream. It doesn't irritate my skin, which is amazing. Plus, and my skin feels super moisturized. Like, oh my god, you guys, if only you could feel this. Like, I think you're able to see for yourselves how like plump my skin now looks, or as they say on the packaging, noticeably supple. They say that, and I couldn't agree more. I mean, look at that, guys. Thumbs up from me so far, you guys. I honestly wasn't expecting that. This is amazing. Look at my skin. Wow. Okay, I gotta tell you, when I started filming this video about this Édelora face masks from Switzerland, I wasn't expecting that. I thought it's just gonna be one of those face sheet masks. It doesn't really work, you know, you apply and later you still feel like it really happened, or at least that's how it works with me most of the time. But this, all of this liquid went already into my skin. Like if I touch, there's no liquid on anymore. Oh, look at my skin. I just hope this transfers through the camera lens to your screen and you can see how hydrated my skin looks now. Yep, that's a good product, you guys. Definitely recommend. I think I'm gonna give it a few more goes. I mean, from first time using this, you can see my reaction. But I think with any skincare product, you need to try more than once to see the real result. So I'm gonna use it for another 2 weeks maybe, like use 1 or twice per week. So I'm gonna use it a few more times and then I'll come back to you with a final verdict for this brand, for this Édelora, I don't know how to pronounce, I'm really sorry, Switzerland Hydrating Face Sheet Mask. But so far, you guys, I mean, my skin looks glowing, and glowing in a good way, not glowing because my skin is so oily and there's so much, you know, excess oil going on. My skin looks glowing because it's been super hydrated. I'm not used to this. My skin doesn't look like this ever. Wow. And I'm back, guys. If you follow my channel, you know how problematic my skin is. Loads of products, to be honest, doesn't work for me. So I tried this Édelora face mask for the first time in the beginning of this video, as you've seen, and I was sold for this. Like, it's so good. Like, I have oily skin and this worked for me. I didn't get any breakouts from it. This mask is like a savior to moisturize the skin. Like, I used to have like dry patches in this part exactly, like in here. It's all gone, you guys, which is absolutely amazing. And you know what, I'm not sure if I mentioned this before in a video, but one of the ingredients that they state on the packaging is hyaluronic acid, which is known for moisturizing the skin and preventing wrinkles, like appearance of wrinkles, which is amazing. We all want that, right? Definitely a thumbs up from me for this product. I wasn't expecting that. I was a bit of skeptical, especially thinking it's hydrating face mask. Me having an oily skin, I think like, I don't really need more hydration. I more need like detox or something, you know, for my skin. But hey, turns out my skin did need hydration. My skin actually, like, I have a mirror in front of me. It looks more like plump, like, if that makes any sense. Like more, I don't even know how to say it. Like, I do have oily skin, natural glow and all, but I do get these dry patches, which is all gone. In fact, maybe I should just clean my makeup off and put the mask on again so you can see the after glow result, because you guys, this is amazing. I think this is the best hydrating face mask I ever tried. So I just washed my makeup off and my skin might look a bit red and irritated because that's how sensitive my skin is. Like, literally, if I, you know, touch it, it goes red, it goes inflamed because I have rosacea and all. You'll see, guys, how the skin will look like plumped and super moisturized after I apply this mask, because it's like something. Honestly, I think the best hydrating mask I ever tried. Can you see how glowing my skin looks? Definitely thumbs up from me. Love, love, love this Édelora face mask. I really hope you guys find this video helpful. If so, please don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more, and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you would like to see next up on my channel. Should I do more review videos or more of tutorials? And yeah, let me know what's your favorite face mask that actually works for you, for your skin type, and what's your skin type as well. Yeah, so yeah, let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching and have an amazing day, you guys. Bye! See you soon.